the opportunity to be here and speak. It's a topic that I love to talk about. And I suppose in essence you might say that I've been doing this ever since God made little green antibodies. And that's how I got goofy like this. I am representing and work for Midwest Bioresearch, which is a subsidiary of Will family of laboratories. And we're located in Skokie, Illinois. And I don't know if any of you have seen the movie Contagion, but the technical park where our laboratory is located was the site of that. And it was quite exciting, to say the least. We had Kate Winslet there, and I actually rode up in the elevator with her, and I thought I died and went to heaven. I thought, this is really cool. And so I asked her, I said, Miss Winslet, how do you like being a scientist? And she said, well, it's all right. And I said, well, I'm a scientist, and I love this movie stuff. So it was really pretty cool. Anyway, part of what I want to chat with you about today is just an introduction and make you aware of the ligand binding assay bioanalytical focus group as a subset of APS. APS is the American Association for Pharmaceutical Sciences, and I'm sure that most of you are aware, probably members. But there was a need recognized in 2000 to set up this focus group, and our purpose is to provide a forum to address issues and promote education for the bioanalysis of small molecules, biotech products, and pharmacodynamic biomarkers by ligand-binding assays. We're a whole nest of subcommittees, and I'm speaking now for the steering committee that has representatives from all of these bioanalytical platforms. And our purpose is to meet once a month and discuss some of the technical and clinical aspects of all of these technologies that are involved in what we do. I would say we do a lot with distance learning. There are some webinars that are wonderful. You just click on, sit at your desk, and you're there. Here is the list of the membership of the steering committee. And some of the topics that we have tackled over the past while and still work with are the things that we struggle with all the time. And there are white papers that are written, and the members of the steering committee are also involved in other subcommittees of APS that deal with all of these items. I don't want to read all of them to you because it'll take me a long time. But anyway, for your reference and information, if you go onto the APS website, you'll be able to learn more, and there are some of the webinars that are still available for you to play right at your desk. But now to get down to the topic that I like to talk about a lot, as I said, is immunogenicity testing. As I look at it, it's a moving target. There's always something to think about. Each drug has a different impact on the immune system, and even though we may think that we've got all the analytical tools available and so on, each